Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's another fabulous day here with the Crave Cook. Today we will be making perfect pan-seared salmon. Guys, this is a super delicious recipe and this is also topped with my creamy garlic mushroom sauce, and the ingredients for this recipe will also be in the description box. Alright guys, just look at the salmon. Perfection at its best. Look at the pinkness, it's watery, it's not overcooked, it is just right. Okay, I also did have this fish with some pasta with the creamy garlic mushroom sauce. As I mentioned, would also be in the description box. You guys must try this recipe. All right. If you have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to do so. So if you guys are ready, let's get started. So here I will be making the marinade for my salmon, and it is just simple. I used 3 tablespoons of garlic chili oil. I'm adding some garlic powder, onion powder, some Old Bay seasoning, some garlic salt, and some chili powder. So here we will mix together until everything is nice and combined. So now I'm adding some fresh grated garlic and some fresh grated ginger. I just love the flavors of ginger and garlic combination. Now we will apply this on top of the fish. This is so amazing. And guys, if you try this recipe, please let me know in the comment section. Please also share this video and give it a thumbs up, okay? I promise you this recipe is to die for. I mean, not literally, but you know. We will flip the fish and we will also season the back of the salmon with the marinade. Let this sit for a little bit. I would say maybe about 2 to 5 minutes. So now we will place a pan over medium high heat. I'll add about 4 tablespoons of oil. Then I'll go in with some butter. So when the butter is all melted, I will go in and place my salmon skin side down. Guys, you cook this right about, let's say, 3 minutes on each side. Look at the edge of that. As soon as it started to become a little white, you flip that. You flip to the other side for an additional 3 minutes. Make sure to get all the butter and all that on top of the fish, and then you remove from pan, and that is all you need. I did squeeze a little bit of lime juice. Guys, you just have to try this. I squeezed a little bit of lemon juice, half of a medium lemon, and then I remove from pan. Look at our perfectly pan-seared salmon. And there it is, guys. This is one you just have to try. It's so easy, so simple, so flavorful. Look at that. It just flakes right off. Look at the pink, it is not overcooked. So once again, thank you for spending the time with me today. Again, if you have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please do so. Thank you. Bye-bye.